Good morning from a slightly damp Belgium. We found this lovely park up. I'll put a what free word location in the bottom here so you can see it. It is on Park for Night. The funny thing is that the quote says, really nice park up, except for the cockerels that wake you up. There's wild cockerels here that wake you up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, they didn't wake us up. We did hear them in the far distance at about 8:30. We were already awake by then, so it was fine. But yeah, really quiet park up, really nice, just out in the forest. I'll show you this outside. I did go out there earlier, but it's a little bit damp and mucky. I don't want to traipse it all back into the van. So unfortunately, you're getting a morning from inside the van. But as I say, I will include a what free word location. We're going to hit the road now. We've got a couple more stops to do, and then we're back to Calais. We've opted to come off one junction early to take a bit of a scenic route in. That way we get to see two sides of Dunkirk. We're coming from the north and head across the coastline, down to the seafront, then we're going to come back out through the town. And I think it was a good decision. This is very pretty. Welcome to Dunkirk. We managed to find a parking space. The main car park where everybody seems to go was absolutely rammed and crazy busy. And the bays were very small. We've managed to find this place, which is right next to the Operation Dynamo. It's a free park up, there's more space in there. So I'll put a what free word in the location here for you so you can find it if you do decide to come here. And it's, say, completely free. So yeah, we'll stop in here rather than the main car park. We've just opted to take a little walk down to the beach area, across this lovely bridge. And there's a monument piece just down here, which we're going to go and take a little look at. But it's quite mad to look out over the sand dunes and to think what history happened here. It's only right we came here to pay our respects. We've opted to come and have a little look around the Dynamo Museum. That illustrates the damage that was bestowed upon the city here, and it is quite devastating to see how much of it was destroyed. Wow. We're now sat at the tunnel waiting to depart from France over back to the UK. Just want to say thank you very much to everybody that's followed our journey and also taken the time to watch our adventures while we've been up in the Nordics. Also all the people that have worked with us over the last 2 years to get the van and this trip to where it is today. There's more videos to come and more adventures to come. This is just the start of it. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit the like button, don't forget the subscribe button and notification bell till the next video goes live. See you in the next video.